This is an official tutorial for Photoshop, healing tool, and blur tool for the Viking photo.
Yeah, so just do a little bit of Photoshop right here, and basically, sorry, we're gonna take the blur tool right here. We're gonna hit up the edges just around the little hair sprites, if you will, little unnecessary pieces of hair right there. Hit up around the eyebrows. I'm gonna blur out those highlights a little bit because they're a little bit harsh. We're gonna run the highlights around the nose. That right there is a little bit harsh for me. Gotta pretty it up a little bit, as you will. Right around the ear. Okay. These you could, but they're so intense, if you can see how intense those are. Same thing with the eyebrows, that because it's animated, I won't even mess with it, honestly. Just hit up the forehead wrinkles a little bit. Pretty up that forehead a little bit. Now, this is more of a Viking-esque type photo, so obviously you don't want to go too pretty, if that makes sense. I am a man, and we're trying to stay masculine. So, if anything, do a little run on that. Basically all the hair. Right, so you're going to take the Sharpen tool, which I did not show you. Okay, it's right above the blur tool. Sorry, I'm kicking this pretty old school. Old school tutorial. Old dude. Hit up all the hairs. In fact, I may even use the healing tool right here. Brush tool. This is going to be hard to do exactly what I want, though. So this is kind of like an advanced tutorial. So we're going to drop the size down a little bit. Can't see it, but basically you're dropping the size down. Hit the why is this not? Oh, sorry, I was not hitting option. For some reason, I sometimes use AI Assist a little bit in my animation, and my phone is okay. It did not cover this section. It's really annoying. So you grab what you need, drag it over, and you literally just keep doing that. And you have to get multiple sections, otherwise it's like, what the fuck is that? I'm even borderlining, what the fuck is that still? But, you have to be careful. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have a little bit of intoxicants going on, so it is making it more difficult. We're gonna grab the blur tool a bit. Oh, wow, that's really blurry. I did not mean to blur it that much. But see, if you go out that far, it doesn't look that bad. And the greater size you get per section, let's say I do that. Okay, just go up slightly. Oh, see, that was too much. There we go. Damn it. It's hit and miss sometimes. You keep doing it, and then you gotta go really close. See, that's looking pretty good. Minus that little fuck up. Ooh, nice. And then just do subtle changes, really. So we switch from the Sharpen to the blur tool, bring the hardness down, bring the strength down, bit right there, right there, right there. Look at that. Really, I'm actually going to bring the strength up in this dark spot right here. It's pretty intense. And run up the line, the beard, right here. Boom. Look at that. We're actually about done already, so it's a pretty long video already. We're actually going to run it out to increasing the sharpness on that. Really, the leather is pretty nice. I like the leather on this. I may have gone a little too sharp actually on the middle part. Blur that back out slightly. Get this left edge of the eyebrow. Boom, look at that. Alrighty. It's a little bit of the blur, sharpen, and healing tool.